flat piece of timber.
Yeah.
Okay, so just only a little bit. Just a little bit on either side. Okay, make sure the stick can go in, so we're just gonna chisel it off here. Cut it to size. Chisel it. To the right side. Grab the flat side. I'll drill a hole a little bit to the top. Get any sort of screw will do, doesn't matter. Screw it in a little bit. Just liquid nail. So on that side, just quite a bit of liquid nail. Push it in here. And just move it around. Until it's like that. Rapid patch or filler, or you can use the pre-mixed stuff. Okay, so I like using this stuff because you don't waste it. The other ones just dry up on you. For you guys, you probably use the pre-mixed stuff. So I have a lot to do, so just mixing this up. So just a glass of water, pour it in, and mix it so it's quite thick. So like cheese paste. Oh look, can you see this like cheese paste? Okay, you should be able to sort of like not drip. The first go looks good. So you can add more if it's a little bit too watery, but that looks okay to me. Okay, so carefully remove the screw, and that should stay there. We're going to do this filler. Okay, we just let it dry up first, then sand it down, then we're going to do it, refill it again. Sandpaper. That's it, smooth.